up? Welcome back to another vlog. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. I go by the Fashion Doll. If you are new here, please consider subscribing to my channel. You will love it here. So what's up, y'all? It is May the 19th, y'all. It is 90 degrees out. We're finally getting some nice weather here in Michigan, but it's supposed to storm later. But anyway, at the beginning of the vlog, I did a life update. So basically, me and my girls tried a new sushi spot. It was 10 out of 10, so good. Then me and my youngest daughter made some strawberry brownies. Oh my god, they were so good. I want to make those again. And we also made like the little glaze on top. And then I went to Burlington this morning and I picked up like 2 items for my kitchen. I think I did show you guys what I picked up, but I'll probably show y'all again later in the vlog. I'm actually at my daughter's school right now, so once I pick her up, we gotta head over to Target. Yeah, I gotta pick up some medicine, so that's pretty much it. That's the little update. Is this new? I'm not sure if this new Punch Pop Poppy. I might get this. I want to try this.
He's coming really fast, so I'm just gonna toy.
This is cute. I guess it's for the people that like dogs. Hey, good morning, y'all. I just had the best shower ever, okay? But I'm about to make me some breakfast. I need to go to the grocery store. I don't have much to work with, so I'm gonna make an omelet. So I'm just gonna have sausages and onions in my omelet. That's all I got. Okay, I gotta get to the store this week. And lately, y'all, I've been watching a lot of true crime. Like, I don't know what's up with that, but watching these crazy men kill these women kind of make me happy that I am single, because men are crazy. Like, you just gotta look at me crazy once and I know I'm not wanted. I will remove myself. Them eyes tell it all, baby. But alright, let me cook.
Dylan Perkins annoying Vivian Jane him small amounts of money to rake her yard or to clean out her gutters. Like I said, I don't know anything that's going on inside that car. We'll alternate suspect and clear them. In the dress.
Obviously, we're talking to you.
4 days. She called me, taking
I just got back from Target and Kroger, so I picked up some Simply lemonade with raspberry. I'm gonna make nachos tonight, so I had to get some sour cream, taco seasoning, jalapenos, spicy Doritos, and shredded lettuce. I already had some salsa. And I had some taco seasoning, but Taco Bell is actually my absolute favorite, so I picked this up. That's it. So I'm going to start on dinner shortly, and I'll come back and talk to y'all tomorrow. Hey y'all, it's the next day, May 22nd. So I wanted to do a quick unboxing with you all. I have a couple of packages here. I just been ordering a few things. So Amazon, I ordered some Lysol spray. And guess what color it is? Pink. It smells good. Early morning breeze scent. Okay. Guess what it's giving. I bought this to go with my pink cleaning supplies. So I want to do a Sunday reset really soon. I thought I was going to do it in this vlog, but I think I'm going to do it in the next vlog. And how cute is this packaging? It reminds me of a popcorn bag. Look at Amazon. Trying to get all fancy with the packaging. So remember I told y'all that I was going to buy some more of those face towels. So I ended up picking up another box. And what's this? Oh, I think this is what my daughter got me. Let me show y'all. She got me a new laptop case. My baby's she's so sweet, y'all, and generous, and you know, she can be a little meanie sometimes, but she got a good heart. But she got me this purple case, and purple is her favorite color, y'all. So I had her pick. I was like, pink or purple. I knew she was going to say purple. So I got purple. So I picked up something from Burlington. My oldest daughter gifted me some money for Mother's Day. So I've been spending that money up here and there. So I got this pink mat for my kitchen. And it says goodness, grace, gratitude. So I got this. And then I also got some new dish towels from Burlington. It was a pack of 3 for $8.99. And it has a pink one in the middle. And then y'all know yesterday I went to Target and did a pickup order. So my daughter is growing like crazy. And I had to hurry up and get her some summer clothes. So I got her this t-shirt right here. I got her this t-shirt. This is the front. This is the back. And then I got her this little red top right here. And then I got her some shorts. This little matching set. So these are the shorts. And it came with the matching hoodie. Well, it didn't come. It was separate. I had to buy it separate. But this is the hoodie. And it has the little flowers on the sleeves. This is really, really cute. So I got her this. And I ordered her some more stuff. But that's coming in a separate order. It might come later today. But I ordered her some bottoms. They didn't have it in stores. So I ended up getting it shipped. And then from Walmart, let me tell y'all. So I ordered a pink dress because I want to do a pink brunch this summer. I think I was telling y'all about that in the last vlog. So on Walmart website, I found this dress for $10. It's a two-top dress and it has like a little split in the front. And it's really cute, y'all. I was like, I'm not going to like this, but I'm like, it's $10 and I'm going to be in the house, so let me just get something cheap. But when I tried it on, baby, it's giving body. It's actually cute. So I was like, do my Gucci bag match that? Not really. But I was like, oh yeah, this would be really cute to wear. I placed my order online and they substituted the dress, y'all. I was supposed to get this and they gave me this. And I'm like, what the fuck? Like, you didn't have to substitute it. Like, why? But I tried this on too and I was like, oh, this is cute. And I was thinking about wearing some brown sandals and my brown and red Louis Vuitton bag maybe. So I was like, I might keep this. $10. I'm going to try this stuff on for y'all, the dresses, so I can show y'all what it's giving. I got 2 different sizes actually. They run pretty big. So I got a medium and a large. And on the website, it recommends you to go down in size. So they was like, if you're normally an extra large, get a large. If you're normally a large, get a medium and so on. So I ended up getting the medium. And I like the way the mediums fit. So I'm going to take this one back. This is the large. I'm gonna try to dress this on and show you guys, and I'll be back.
Let's talk fashion with Fashion Doll.
Who, me?
Yes, you. Overall, you are a mobile icon. A legend in the fashion industry.
Okay, this is the pink dress. It is so cute. And it's the little split. It's definitely giving body. I don't have the right underwear on right now, so excuse the panty line, but wear the right underwear, like some seamless panties or something. But yeah, this is cute. It's definitely giving Sunday brunch. I don't know if I'm having it on a Saturday or a Sunday, but it's really cute. I like it. And my oldest approved. She was like, oh, that's cute. So I said, cool, okay. All right, this is dress number 1. I'm gonna show y'all the second dress. Okay, this is the red dress. Little split. So just wear the right undergarments with this and you'll be fine. But yeah, this is dress number 2. Okay. Hey, I'm back. So I need to declutter really bad, y'all. I want to get rid of this clothing rack. I'm trying to debate if I want a new clothing rack, but I do want to place these clothes in my closet. But I need to go through my closet, get rid of some clothes. I need to go through totes. So I'm debating if I want to do that today or not. But I just want to say, like, make your home. You don't have to have the aesthetic home, you know, all the girls you see on TikTok and Instagram. Make your home your home. That's pretty much what I'm about to do. Like, this little space is my little comfort zone, and I love it over here. So I'm about to add this table. So I'm going to put this in the corner, and this is going to be like my little office area, y'all. So I got this from Ross, and it was $24.99. So this is going to be my new desktop for now. And I like this because I can fold it and put it away. I hate clutter. I hate a lot of things just piled up. So I am big on getting rid of things that I no longer use or no longer need. So that's kind of like what we're going to do. Maybe. Because I'm tired. But for now, I want to put up my new table. Make my little area homey, you know? So y'all can watch me do that. And don't talk about my legs, because I think I need to shave them. Well, it don't look bad. I got a little hair. I thought I had a lot of hair. I don't really have a lot of hair. Never mind. So I want to put a black rug down, but I don't have one yet. So I have like a pink one for now. I'm debating if I want to put that one down or just wait until I find a rug. But And ladies and gentlemen, this is how you turn a small space into something. So you got to make whatever you have at home work pretty much. So if I wanted to be extra, I could add like some acrylic shells right here. Maybe a little picture and put some flowers, like a little flower pot right here. But yeah, this is my little new office space so I can work and edit right here. And that's pretty much it, y'all. I think I'm going to end the vlog here. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I will see you guys in the next vlog. If you enjoyed the vlog, let me know below. Bye.